Oh, we're back on rain.gg with 500 coins. We're back from Thailand. I really want to upload from Thailand, but the internet was fucking terrible. I wanted to do like IRL streams and shit, but I literally couldn't. But well, we're back now, so let's go. We're gonna try out this new case. It's a 10% case, but yeah, we got freeway shared mode. Oh, stop. And don't forget about the 100k monthly raise here on Rain for the Christmas thingy. And the 10k daily. Oh, go down, go down, go down. Nice. Burning this shit. Right. Pizza, pizza. Where's pizza? Broke. Okay, there we go. You need to rain it. Oh wait, it's over. Yikes. Wait, we do this. I believe. We don't. Okay, so we already at L. Can I open daily? Some shit back. Oh, oh, oh. We're gonna open weekly. Up. Yeah. We're gonna open monthly. Give us knife. That's not good. That's the shittiest item. Alright, alright. And don't forget, if you want to play on this site, use code Sackaden, go 7 days, and go apply. You get some free cases. And deposit bonus, I think. We're gonna go, no? Why did I go freeway? I'm actually trolling. Go in the lead at least. Yes. Oh, nice. Okay, nice, nice. Also, let me know if you want to have another race on Brain, like we did before. Hope you guys got something good out of it. Go down, nice. Nice. Actually pulling. At least it was the AK. I mean, don't be cheap. Oh no. Hitting pretty decent, I would say. Okay, they hit rain it now. Let's see what's in this case. But they can come back easily here. Damn. Give him the Emperor. Oh, that's bad. Like 100, right? Not that bad. We need another hit, actually. Make us feel a little bit more comfortable here. Okay, wait, oh, that's the last case. I wouldn't. I wouldn't. Big. Oh, we have a lot of shit here. We're back to profit. Let's go. Oh, I'm tempted. 4-way standard mode. This guy's crazy. Actually crazy. I'm gonna go freeway crazy mode. And I'm gonna go 10%. And I'm gonna go... Here we go. Let them hit. We win the coin flip. That easy. It is really that easy. Okay. Yeah, yeah, go down, go down, go down, go down. Nah. Of course. I don't even know watch this, to be honest. I'm gonna get something gold, yeah. I knew it. Not even gonna watch the rest. Fuck that shit. Here we go 3v3. I'm gonna go my all-time favorite case. It's the first case I opened on the site. Just when it got released. Where is it? Art gallery. There we go. We'll go 4 of them. 3v3. Okay, this is good. Like 80 coins. They are in the lead though. Nice, nice, nice. We're back in the lead. They give us rain it. Fuck it. I mean, we won, but we run back. That is bad. That is very bad. Like the rain hits only like 100 coins. We ripped. Over. Need like triple hit there. Gonna win. But this doesn't even matter if we hit it. Alright. Kinda wanna go up like this. 2v2. Maybe we hit some crazy, who knows? All bots. Stop. Oh shit. I gotta run back. I have to. Let me rain it. Yes. Stop, 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 stop. Nice, that's big. That's at least like 300 coins, right? Maybe 400. Give us the gloves. Big. How much is that? 760. Oh, that's the max item. That's crazy. I think it's the first time I hit max on rain. Let's fucking go. That's a clickbait thumbnail. Not even clickbait actually. We're gonna go originals. Like I love the original cases. 2 haunted houses. Now we have some room. Some balance. All bots. Level up as well. Go. Oh. Nah. Go down, go down. I think that's not that. Oh, never mind. Do we need rain it now? This could be massive. That's terrible. I gotta run back. So how's your Christmas been, guys? Let me know. Was it good? Oh, that's terrible again. Fuck this case. I mean, I like this case, but fucking hit on it. I have an idea here. We've been recording for 10 minutes. So, I mean, either we go down with a bang or we get shit on. So, my favorite case, art gallery. How many freeze? Yeah. Yeah, 2v2. on call bots. We win. Like if we go up to like at least 500, we dipping. But if we lose, we dipping as well. Okay, nice start. It's kind of the same though. Like this AK is like almost like a rain it. It's decent. Terrible for everyone. That's shit. I mean, it's good, it's good. Won't complain. Yeah, just keep getting those. I'm fine with that. The bot got a pull, like. Rainbot, what's going on? They hit. In the lead by like 100 coins only. Up here. Nice. Okay, nice, nice. Okay, they hit as well. I mean, they're feeding, I guess, probably. Okay, okay. Come on, give us a hit. Give us a last hit, fuck it. If they double it, they can win, I think. Or GG. That up to 500? It is. Alright, boys. We're gonna end the video there, and it's road to 500 subs again, I guess. We've been at 490 something for like half a year. So maybe we can get up to 500, please. And yeah, GG's.